Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So I found the long lost footage when Brian Dingle brought down his bike from New Hampshire. So we just redid this bike and his other bike. We didn't redo this bike. We just went over it, retuned it, made sure everything was good. But we did his blue Street Glide. But this is the original footage when we first met. Check it out. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got a couple of bikes from New Hampshire. So we got a Street Glide and a Road Glide. They both went with the Rockford 10-inch drop-in subwoofer kit. But they didn't like having to give up all their bag space. So they had to choose between having bass and having bag space. They couldn't do both. So they brought it down. We're pulling out the 10-inch subwoofer kit, and we're going with the NVS Audio Stage 3. So we're doing 8s in the back of the bag, which leaves 2/3 of the bag space in the front of the bag. So check it out. The Rockford kit is a really nice kit, but it just sucks that it takes up the entire bag. So you either have to choose to ride with bass or no bass. So we're gonna go ahead and do 8s in the back, and then that way you can have bass and still have bag space. The other problem with the Rockford kit is you can only use the Rockford 6-vines. You cannot upgrade to any other 6-vine because this is the only one that fits. So we're gonna pull everything out and start fresh. Here's the other one.
Been around, brought you down, it's true. I had some dreams and said some things to you. If I said too much, I know you're mine to lose. I had some dreams and said some things to you. This girl is an instant danger. The way she moves on a dance floor. Mami, yo sé que soy un extraño. Me extraño. Y yo quiero que me des calor. Love how you move them hips, girl. Let the music play on. dance. Lose yourself in wild romance. We're going to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. All night long, all night.
There is nothing wrong with your sound system. Do not attempt to adjust the volume. We are now controlling transmission. Control the sound.
Just stay down. You put away, he hits the flush. You hit the ground. So for eyes, tend to block your eyes. Just keep them closed, keep praying, just keep believing. Beside your bed, white is the stripes, blue days, blood is always red. Government is acting like we love a game of Simon Says. I ain't buying shit, put some taxes on the magic pen. Some back breaking, bill paying, get it, got it, do it all. Paintbrush, stroking, famous carpenters with table saw. Fuck world crazy, getting loose on the weekend. Smile on their face, see when you on the stone, yeah, should be on the cover with my middle finger screaming, I'm a bad motherfucker. What did I see? A bad motherfucker standing next to me with his eyes closed, totally can't see. Trying to follow orders, just gonna be free. Be free like a bird, so the day I'm a fly. Bad, bad motherfucker till the day I die. Be free like a bird, so the day I'm a fly. Bad, bad motherfucker till the day I die. Yeah! Bad, bad motherfucker till the day I die. Hey, Heal Up, that's a bad motherfucker. Young Kale, that's a bad motherfucker. Oh shit! Detroit, y'all some bad motherfuckers. Cleveland, y'all some bad motherfuckers. Okay, I'm reaching in my pocket, gotta count them in $100 bill. This motherfucker bring it in. Like a bird, so today I'm a fly. Bad, bad motherfucker till the day I die. Be free like a bird, so today I'm a fly. Bad, bad motherfucker till the day I die. Yeah! Bad, bad motherfucker till the day I die. Yeah!
All right, so these guys took the ride out from New Hampshire to get their audio upgraded. Was it worth the trip?
Oh, most definitely.
100%.
Thank you guys. Have a safe
Thank you,
trip.
Carlos.
Thank you.